Hello guys, let's study about a tree in a medicine. Okay, the tree is biliary tree. Okay, so first of all, I will help you to explain about this tree. You don't have to draw diagrams from here. Later on, I will make a systemic diagram and you have to make it. Okay, so this are just for your explanation. Okay, so see, this is your right lobe of liver. See, this is the right lobe of your liver. Okay, and 1 minute. This is okay. This is your right lobe of liver, and this is your left lobe of liver. Left lobe of liver. Okay, this is right lobe. From these two lobes, okay, there are so many ducts. Okay, we call, and when they combine these ducts, okay, when these ducts combine, they form a left hepatic duct and right hepatic duct. Okay, then these two ducts will join and form one duct that is called as common hepatic duct. What? Common hepatic duct. Then here is this is gallbladder. Okay, so gallbladder has cystic duct, as I already told you in this part. Okay, cystic duct. This cystic duct will join with this common hepatic duct with what? With common hepatic duct. Cystic duct will join with common hepatic duct, and then this duct is known as common bile duct. Okay, what? Common bile duct. Then in this common bile duct, pancreatic duct will come and open. Okay, you know we have pancreas. Okay, pancreatic duct will come and open with pancreatic juices, obviously. Okay, will come and open, and then this duct will open in duodenum. Okay, this part is duodenum. Then this duct is open in duodenum, and by what? By ampulla of Vater. Okay, this opening is known as ampulla of Vater. Okay, this whole is just for your understanding. Okay, so this is exact same for you. I hope this is for better picture quality. Okay, you can see this is right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct. Okay, from right lobe of the liver and left lobe of the liver. Okay, then here is in below you can see gallbladder. What? Gallbladder. The cystic duct from gallbladder make common bile duct. Then this pancreatic duct will come. Okay, this is pancreas. Then this pancreatic duct will come and open. And by what? By ampulla of Vater in duodenum. This is duodenum. Okay, I hope this thing is clear. This is like basic thing. Okay, now let's discuss about this. See, I already told you this is your right hepatic duct. Okay, this is your right lobe and left lobe. Right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct. Then it will form common bile duct. What? Common bile duct. Then this common bile duct will go outside the liver, and just at this junction, as you can see here also, just after this junction, at the junction part they divide. Okay, usually. Then after just junction, the gallbladder will join. Okay, the gallbladder, as you can see, the cystic duct will join. Cystic duct of gallbladder. Okay, then this is called as common bile duct, and then this is pancreatic duct. This will go and open by sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi in duodenum. Okay, we call this ampulla of Vater. All ducts open through it. Okay, not sorry, it's not sphincter of Oddi. I will just tell you what is this sphincter of Oddi. This is ampulla of Vater. All ducts open through it. Ampulla of Vater. Okay, and this sphincter, this at this opening there is sphincter, and we call it sphincter is sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi. Okay, and this is what part of duodenum? This is the descending part of duodenum. Okay, I think this little diagram is clear for you. Now let's discuss something from here. This part. Okay, from this part. Let me explain you. See, as I already told you, this is our what? What is this? See this? Common bile duct. Common bile duct is coming. Okay. Actually, in pancreas, sometimes what happens? There are two ducts. Like this one is the major duct. Okay, this one is a major duct. But sometimes there is one duct forms. Okay, arise from pancreas, and we call that duct as accessory pancreatic duct. What? Accessory pancreatic duct. And it's very important in surgeries. Okay, okay, and it's not 101% present in all humans. In some humans, as I already told you, in some humans, accessory pancreatic duct is present. This duct. Okay. Now, this accessory pancreatic ducts open in descending part of duodenum. Okay, by minor papillae. MINOR minor PAPILLA papillae. Okay, and it's 6 to 8 centimeter away from pylorus. You know what is pylorus? As you know, our stomach have parts. You know. Our stomach have parts. The below part is known as what? Pylorus. The below part of stomach is known as pylorus. The above part is, as you know, is cardiac. Is cardiac part. Okay, you will discuss this in anatomy video. Okay, so the below part of stomach is pylorus. So 6 to 8 centimeter away from pylorus. Okay, now this pancreatic duct, this one, this is known as duct of Wirsing. Duct of Wirsing. And remember, see, from pancreatic, one common pancreatic duct arises. This is known as duct of Centauri. Duct of Centauri. Now this duct of Centauri, if this accessory pancreatic duct arise from here in some humans, then this duct is known as duct of Wirsing. Okay, duct of Wirsing. Now this duct of Wirsing, this duct of Wirsing is open, or we can also conclude these two are known as major or main pancreatic duct. Which are major or main pancreatic duct? This duct of Wirsing and duct of Centauri. Okay, these go and open in this common. I already told you what is this? Common bile duct. Okay. Now, I already told you these open by sphincter of Oddi, and Okay, and this part is known as ampulla of Vater. Ampulla of Vater. VATR, ampulla of Vater. Where all ducts, okay, all ducts open in a junction. All ducts open in a junction called ampulla of water. This is a junction, as you can see. Okay, all ducts open here. All ducts open here in this junction. Ampulla of Vater. Okay, and this open by a sphincter known as sphincter of OD. I hope you got it. And this major papillae is basically 8 to 10 centimeter away from pylorus. This is major papillae. This is minor papillae. Okay. So minor papillae is 6 to 8 centimeter away from pylorus, and major papillae, okay, major papillae is 8 to 10 centimeter away from pylorus. Pylorus is what? Stomach's lower part. Okay. This thing is clear. Accessory pancreatic duct, duct of Wirsing, duct of Santorini, ampulla of Vater. Okay. Main pancreatic ducts, accessory ducts in some human individuals it's present. Descending part of duodenum. You know this descending part of duodenum have only longitudinal folds. Longitudinal folds. Okay, we will discuss about this in anatomy duodenum part. We already discussed it. Okay, longitudinal folds. Okay, now let's make diagram. This is your right lobe, this is your left lobe. Okay, from right lobe what arises? This is what? Right hepatic duct. What is this? This is left hepatic duct, LHD, left hepatic duct. They combine and form what? This is what? This is your common hepatic duct. Okay, common hepatic duct. This is your gallbladder, and gallbladder is opened by what? What is this? I already told you. Cystic duct. Okay, cystic duct. And after opening the cystic duct, what we call this part? Okay, what we call this part? After this cystic duct opens into it, common bile duct. Okay, common bile duct is formed by what? By joining of CHD, common hepatic duct, plus cystic duct. Okay, now this is your what? This is your pancreas. Okay, this is your pancreas. This is known as what? Duct of Centauri. Duct of Centauri. Oh, sorry, Santorini. Okay, it is your main pancreatic duct. Okay, then after this is your what? This is this blue part. This is accessory pancreatic duct. Now, when this accessory pancreatic ducts open, what we call it at this main pancreatic duct, then its name is duct of Wirsing. Okay, duct of Wirsing. It's also main pancreatic duct. Okay. Now, I already told you about their location. Okay. Now, what? Here we have what? Here we have major papillae. Okay, and it's 8 to 10 centimeter away from pylorus. What is pylorus? Stomach's lower part. Okay. This is your minor papilla, and it's what? Where it opens? Minor papilla, 6 to 8 centimeter away from pylorus. 6 to 8 centimeter away from pylorus. Pylorus is what? Stomach's lower part. Okay. If someone will ask you, what is this major papillae? This is the opening of duct of Wirsing, basically main pancreatic duct or duct of Centauri. Okay, as I already told about this here. Now, all of these ducts open by what? This part. This part is known as, first of all, this particular part is known as what? This part. This is known as ampulla of Vater. Okay, and it's opened by, and this opening is known as sphincter of OD. Okay, and remember, where all, if there is one question I saw, okay, recently, like where all ducts open in a junction is known as ampulla of Vater. The question is where all in biliary tree, where all ducts open. Okay, it's in ampulla of Vater, and by what? It's open in duodenum by sphincter of OD. Okay. Now this is what? This is where does this open? This all opens in descending. Our duodenum have 4 parts. Okay, and this is the descending part of duodenum. Descending part, and it have longitudinal folds. Okay, you have to make just this diagram. You just have to make this diagram. Okay. Descending part, longitudinal folds. All other have all other parts of duodenum have circular folds. Only this descending part have longitudinal folds. Remember this thing. Okay. Where is this ampulla of Vater is present? Here. Okay. at our descending part of duodenum. Okay, this is so. That's all for this thing. I hope everything is clear for you.